Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of viewing your posts in X. Being able to easily access and review your posts can help you keep track of your content and engage with your audience. So, let's dive into the full guide. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Locate the X icon and tap on it to launch the application. Step 2. Once you're inside X, look for the account icon situated at the top left corner of your screen. Give it a tap to access your account settings. Step 3. In the Account Settings menu, find and tap on the Profile option. This will take you to your profile page. Step 4. On your profile page, you'll notice a slider below your name, picture, and bio. Tap on it to reveal additional options. Step 5. From the options available in the slider, select Posts. This will allow you to view all the posts you have shared on X. Step 6. Take a moment to explore your posts. Scroll through the list to see your content in chronological order. Step 7. Engage with your posts by liking, commenting, or sharing them with your followers. This is a great way to interact with your audience and build a stronger community. Step 8. Use the search or filter options, if available, to narrow down your post selection based on specific criteria such as hashtags or dates. Step 9. Take advantage of this feature to review your content, gain insights, and make improvements to your future posts. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to view your posts in X. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.